What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So here is the power bank. Yes, you heard me right here. The JOYROOM 5000 milliamp power bank. Why I like the smaller power bank? Because it's light. I don't need a 10,000 milliamp power. The maximum power bank I need is a 5000 milliamp power bank. Hey baby, why are you making the noise? My wife, can you take this baby? That is destroying my video. The baby is here. So let me continue the video. Okay, let's say baby, do not touch. You see, destroying my video. Bad baby, go away. So yeah, now here it is the JOYROOM mini power bank. From the back, as you can see. Okay, now let me open it. The power bank. And then let me see where I can open the power bank. Most properly here. I'm just worried because the baby is nearby. I wanna open it like lightly. Okay, here we go. Baby, keep quiet. Okay, here we go. Number one priority, safety. Okay, safety. And then here we go with the power bank, as you can see. Okay, it comes with the micro USB cable. Awesome. So here is the power bank. Here some kind of warranty. What is this? Some kind of warranty card. I don't know literally what it is. Anyway, I don't care whatever it is. So here is the power bank, as you can see. I mean, the power bank is really very light. It can charge by USB Type C also. I mean, okay, let me see if I have any juice left. Let me use this one to charge my which phone? My Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. Okay, here we go. You see, it's charging. I mean, can you see it's charging? Can you see? So yeah, I can easily recommend this power bank. It's a must buy. So this is the JOYROOM power bank. It's a must buy. Firstly, it's very lightweight. I love it. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe. Bye.